And now everybody to the dance floor.
Yeah, Glamis!
Girl, I've been hitting that graveyard shift. You will find another one love for this dirty work. Dirty work. Baby, I don't need no help.
Now I'm trying to get a run for it.
Girl, I've been putting in overtime. You ain't gotta tell me what's on your mind. Dirty work. Cause when you do what you love, you're gonna love what you do. You know I do it with love. Each night I do it for you. Somebody's gotta do it. Dirty work. So we're getting it. You know it ain't no 9 to 5. We going sundown to sunrise. Dirty work. Dirty work.
Hi, Sandy! Hey guys, this is Ryan with Dirtjunkiefilms, and if you liked the video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button if you haven't already. Please share the video, and if you'd like an edit of your own, send me an email to dirtjunkiefilms@gmail.com.
What'd you say that knuckle was? 150?
135.
So you're probably 155 at least. 160.
I went rolling like 150 feet.